the Indian Institutional Ranking Framework has released its highly anticipated 2024 rankings for the top universities in India, evaluating them across 7 crucial performance indicators. These include placement performance, teaching learning resources, research, industry income and integration, placement strategies and support, and external perception. At 10th is Central University of Rajasthan, that distinguishes itself with strong placement strategies and support, emphasizing academic excellence and community engagement. At 9th, the Central University of Punjab prioritizes research and innovative teaching methods addressing both national and regional developmental needs. At 8th, Pondicherry University is recognized for its interdisciplinary studies and progressive research initiatives, catering to diverse academic interests in southern India. At 7th, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University in Pusa, Bihar is a front-runner in agriculture education and research. It stands out in industry income and integration, contributing significantly to advancements in farming practices and technologies. At 6th, the University of Hyderabad in Telangana emerges as a prominent institution for research contributions, noted for its strong performance in placement and research. At 5th, Aligarh Muslim University in Uttar Pradesh excels in industry income and integration, combining academic excellence with cultural richness. It continues to uphold its legacy of providing quality education across various disciplines. 4th is Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi, which leads in teaching learning resources and pedagogy. Renowned for its inclusive educational practices and commitment to social justice, it provides a nurturing environment for holistic development. At 3rd stands the Banaras Hindu University with its blend of historical significance and modern educational approaches. It shines in both placement performance and research, offering a wide spectrum of courses from arts to sciences. Following closely at 2nd is the University of Delhi. Known for its extensive array of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, DU excels in industry income and integration, reflecting its strong ties with the corporate world and its practical application of academic knowledge. And at 1st is Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi, securing the top spot among the central universities, known for its dynamic academic environment and firm commitment to excellence in research and interdisciplinary studies. It serves as a hub for debates, discourse and activism. These rankings serve as a comprehensive guide for prospective students, educators and industry professionals, highlighting each university's contributions to higher education and research in India.